Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is creamy tomato basil soup. All right, we're going to slice our Roma tomatoes in half. I use about 10 tomatoes. You can use other tomatoes if you like, but just choose ones on the smaller side. And then once we have these cut, we're going to place them on a baking tray. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Cut side up. And we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil. And then we're going to season it very well with some salt. And some pepper. And we're going to roast this in our oven set at 375 degrees for 1 hour. Once they're roasted, we'll set them aside and then we'll start on our soup. So in a large pot, we're going to melt our butter over medium-high heat. And then we'll add our onions. And we'll saute our onions for around 4 minutes, just until they caramelize and get translucent. Then we'll add our garlic. Our thyme, pepper, and salt. And we'll saute that up for 1 minute. Then we're going to add our crushed tomatoes. And we're going to add some sugar. And this will cut the acid. And we're going to add our basil. And we're going to let this simmer for about 8 minutes. Then we're going to add some chicken stock. And our roasted tomatoes. And we're going to let this simmer for around 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then we're going to add our cream after 30 minutes. We'll stir that in. And then with an immersion blender, we're going to puree our soup. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a blender, but you'll probably have to do that in some batches and then just add it back to the pot. And once that's all pureed, we'll add a bit of basil for garnish. It's ready to eat. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.